Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and you might be getting ripped off. Let me explain. So it is finally Black Friday, and Amazon has blessed us with the very good deals, but how good are some of those deals? Today I'm going to show you how to use a tool to find your own good deals this Black Friday, as well as the top 5 deals I have found using this tool. So let's get right into it. So the tool I'm referring to is Keepa. Now this is a very in-depth tool. Let me show you an example here. This is just the free version, but you can still do exactly what I want. What we're trying to do with this tool is check the price history. This will show what price the product is sold for the whole history of the product being listed on the website. So for example, day, you can see what it's selling for today. On the right here, you can click the criteria that you want. For this video, I recommend just doing new and Amazon. Right now it's not showing up. This one doesn't have it. And used if you want, if you are okay with used stuff, but I'm going to uncheck used and just show new products. And then I'm going to come down to here and do year. This will show me how much this product has been selling for this year. So as you can see, in December of last year, it's been about 30 bucks. It's been about $30, and then about quarter through the year, it's dropped a little bit, 25. The lowest has been 23, and currently they are selling it for about 23. So this deal is nothing special. They have sold this for about that price, but this is what they're claiming as their Black Friday deal. This is a good example of a Black Friday deal that is not that great. And that's why it's important to install this tracker so you can see exactly what kind of deals they usually offer on this. So usually it's about $2 cheaper than their regular deals earlier in the year. Coming in at number 5, we have the LG Ultra Gear QHD 34-inch curved gaming monitor. This is 160 hertz and a great buy for gamers. Let's see the numbers here. I have clicked Amazon and new. New is new in box from third-party sellers, but if we go at the year, we see that right now is the lowest price it's been this entire year. So this is a pretty solid deal. Before it was going for about 300. Right now it's going for about 250. And for the quality of this monitor, this is a pretty solid deal. It started off at about 400 this year. And for a few months, it has danced all around that high 300s. So this price drop is pretty dang solid. In this monitor, I mean, if you're into the curved monitors, high refresh rate, this would be a pretty solid option. This could be a good buy. Coming in at number 4, we have the Logitech Blue Yeti. Very popular microphone, and with a lot of people wanting to get into streaming, content creating, this is a decent starter option that is usually quite a bit more expensive than it is right now. Let's take a look at the numbers. So this price is nothing brand new. 85 bucks. At the beginning of this year, it looks like it was selling for 85 bucks, but for the rest of the year, it's kind of fluctuating. You get price highs, price lows, and in 2020, this I think was double what it is now. So if you are looking for a good performance budget mic and don't want to wait a whole nother year for the price to drop, right now might be a good time for this one. Speaking of streaming and content creating, we have this Elgato Facecam coming in at $119, which, as they're saying, is 20% off the $150. But let's look at the numbers and see how good this deal actually is. So here is the year price history, the year timeline of Amazon, what they were selling it for, and the new third-party sellers. At the beginning of this year, or the end of last year, really December, we saw a huge price increase. As we got to the beginning of the year, I guess it was ramping up with the holidays demand. But this looks like it's the lowest it's been this entire year for $120. Elgato makes really solid products. We actually use quite a bit of them. We like the Stream Deck and stuff like that for streaming. So I would go ahead and check this out if you are interested in getting a webcam or content creating in 2024. This is a good time to buy it. Coming in at number 2, every gamer needs some good headphones. These claim to be noise canceling. I usually personally wouldn't spend that much, but for how good this deal is, for this whole time this has been listed, it's been about $350. No budge. This is a name brand, so you wouldn't really expect a budge until the holiday seasons are coming around, and it looks like it has dropped about $100. So this could be a good buy if you're looking for some good noise canceling headphones for a good price. Coming in at number 1 spot, we have this L-shaped gaming desk for $69. Not only does it achieve meme status with the price, but if we come down to the price history, the year price range at December last year was $100, $130 at the beginning of this year. And we've seen price drops happen quite often, but nothing this good. We're seeing 80, 75, little drops here. But this is the lowest it's been all year, and for $69, can't really beat that for a great gaming desk. Up here as well, this is very spacious looking, and if you're just in the market for a gaming desk, this might be a killer option. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Be careful shopping out there. Make sure you download that extension and look through the price history of the whole year for new and Amazon sellers. So that way you know you're getting a good deal and it's not just like telling you it's a good deal. You got to see for yourself. Let me know in the comments your best Black Friday deal you have ever found. I'm excited to share these as well. I'm going to be using this a lot to buy Christmas presents. Please like and subscribe for more, and share this with someone you know is shopping for Black Friday.